everyone. Thank you for joining me on this nice, crisp autumn afternoon. Let's all take a moment to say goodbye to our beach weather and hello to skiing and sledding weather. Along with the autumn and cold, crisp nights comes the holiday season. And with the holidays comes family gatherings, and family gatherings, of course, means food galore. I know my poly vegan sisters have already given you guys some ideas of some delicious side dishes you can take to these gatherings, but I'm gonna take the easy route and go shopping. For those of you that do not wish to eat Mr. Turkey during this holiday season, I have good news for you. There are other options. My son and I had to do some searching for this turkey roast, vegan turkey roast, but we finally found it at our local grocery store, right down the street. We drove all the way across town looking for this thing, and what do you know, it was right down the street at our local grocery outlet. Here it is. This is the Gardein holiday roast, and here are some of the ingredients that you can read, and here are the instructions on how to prepare it. Now this is the one that we were able to find, but there are many different brands and different kinds of turkey vegan roasts out there that you can try. Here's what was in that box. It was just the roast, and I think there was about 4 packets of gravy. So I just lined my baking sheet thing there with some parchment paper, and then I put my cooling rack there so to allow for some air circulation, hoping that'll make the roast crispier. Let's see how this looks. I put some sweet potatoes in there just to bake while that thing was baking, but the instructions say that you have to take it out of the foil and then pop it back in for however long it says. In the meantime, let's prepare our gravy. All you gotta do is open those packets, put them in a little saucepan and warm it up. Here it is, fresh out of the oven. I just wanted to cut it for you so you can hear a nice crispy sound. Yes, it looks nothing like a turkey, but let's see what our taste testers think it tastes like. Okay, here's Tonga. He's our part-time vegan, and we'll see what he thinks about the Gardein holiday roast. What do you think?
It's not bad. It's pretty good. My dear?
What's good about it?
The breading is really crispy and it has a nice flavor, and the gravy is pretty good. Did you make this gravy?
No, came with it.
That's not bad. No, because the gravy you make.
On that note, I'd like to share with you one of my very favorite Bible verses, 1 Thessalonians 5:18, and it says, "Give thanks in all circumstances, for this is the will of God for you in Christ Jesus." This verse reminds me that no matter what my circumstances are, I always have something to be thankful for. So let's practice an attitude of gratitude, and we will have lots to be thankful for. And I'm thankful for this guy here for giving us his honest critique of our store-bought vegan turkey roast. And not to forget all of you for all of your love and support. Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you all for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and ring that notification bell. And remember, no matter where you are in your journey, there is always room for you right here at our table at Poly Vegan Kitchen.